Welcome back to the Cooking Simulator game tutorial. Today we will add a very important thing to our game, a kitchen stove and cookware. Let's start by creating an interface BPI cookware. With the function cook with input enabled of boolean type. Next, create the object inherited from the BP table class named BP stove. Open it and change the texture of the cube. Open the event graph and remove all events. Then implement the graph event. Right-click on the event and click Add Parent Call to Function. Next, before calling the parent event, call cook of the placed object with a false as enabled. Now we've implemented disable cooking when the player grabs some cookware from the stove. Next, implement the place event. At the start of event, call the parent's event. And next, call cook of the placed object with enabled as true. As the last step, only implement a BP cookware and undo it inherited from the BP dish. Open it and change the material of the mesh. Open the event graph and remove all events. Next, add the cookware interface to the class. And implement the cook event. Promote input to variable is cooking. And move the new variable to cookware category. Next, check if is cooking is true and item length is not 0. Next, create a custom event update cooking progress. Also create a variable cooking score of integer type. Increment this variable in the start of update cooking progress. Also print string with this variable to show progress. Next, add a delay. Also add the variable cooking target score per item of integer type. With 100 as default. Next, after the delay in the event, check if is cooking is true. and call update cook in progress. Then before I check if the cooking score is not greater or equal, then product of cooking target score per item and item's length. If it's true, stop cooking and call the next branch. If it's false, just call the next branch node. Also add update cook in progress in the cook event if condition in branch is true. Next, open the level, remove all food items, add the cookware and stove to the scene. And test it. And it works well. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.